Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. My name is Sam Kanenwisher, and I'm going to be doing a meditation today. And today I was thinking a lot about how it can be difficult to start meditating because our thoughts are so active. And oftentimes we might even think, I can't meditate today because, I get started and my thoughts are just too active. And so this meditation is going to be focused on being kind to those thoughts and just accepting them as part of the meditation. Once we meditate, I think our minds get scared, right? Our minds are like, oh, you're not going to pay attention to my thoughts anymore? My thoughts aren't important anymore. Here, let me serve you up a bunch of them that are really important. And you're going to find them very important. But what are you doing? Meditating? That is telling me that my thoughts are not important. But no, it's not like that. It's about being kind to our. We're not going to try to fight our thoughts. We're going to be kind to our thoughts, and we're going to recognize that there's a time and a place for our thoughts, and that we don't need to have all of our thoughts at once. And if we know more about how we think, we can learn to put our thoughts on pause for short periods of time, and learn how our thoughts work. And that is something that our thoughts benefit from, and our entire body benefits from. So with that, let's begin the meditation. So I invite you to close your eyes and find a comfortable place to sit, or lie down, or just some place of stillness. And hopefully you don't have too many distractions. It's good to find a place where you don't have many distractions. But if there is a distraction, just let it be. Let it be. No need to get upset about it. So let's take a couple deep breaths. Deep inhale. And exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale. Deep inhale. And exhale. Now letting your breath return to normal. And you might have you're probably already having thoughts already. And so I just want to send kindness to those thoughts. Dear thoughts, you serve me so well. You keep me alive. You help me to be employed, to make a living, to provide for my family, to keep me safe, to keep me healthy, to help me be happy, to share who I am in the world. Thoughts, you are so important. And we love you. We love you, thoughts. I love you, thoughts. We're so grateful for all you do. And thoughts, during this meditation, we're just going, every time we notice that you're coming, that you're, bringing us a new thought, a new idea, we're just going to say, I love you, thought. Just every time a thought comes, I love you, thought. Or, thank you for being my thought. I love you, thought. And then once you've said I love you to your thought or offered some kindness, just go back to your breathing. And if another thought comes up, just offer another kindness. I love you, thought. Thank you for being there. I love you, thought. It might be a thought that's not so good either. It might be pretty abrasive, or, it might be an angry thought or a scared thought. And so just offer some love to that thought. You don't have to love the thought, but offer some love to the thought. I recognize you're really angry right now. I love you, and I don't want you to have to feel so much anger. I recognize you're afraid right now. I love you, and I don't want you to have to feel fear. And then just breathe into that love that you're sending to that thought. And coming to the end of our meditation, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be free. May all beings experience peace. May all beings experience joy. So thank you for meditating with me today. Um, just a way of developing a kinder relationship with our thoughts, and maybe helping you to find an easier way into meditation where we don't have to be in battle with our thoughts, thinking, if I'm thinking all the time, I can't be meditating, but instead sending kindness to our thoughts and recognizing that they're going to be there. I wish you well.